AI for affiliate marketing, beginner-friendly. Imagine a world where the traditional barriers to entry in the digital economy have completely vanished because of the rapid evolution of synthetic intelligence. We are currently living through the most significant transformation in the history of performance marketing since the invention of the internet itself. For a beginner looking to break into affiliate marketing today, the landscape is no longer about competing with massive agencies or spending thousands of dollars on complex software. Instead, the focus has shifted toward the creative application of neural networks and the strategic implementation of automated workflows. The concept of affiliate marketing is fundamentally simple because it involves promoting a product and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. However, the execution of this model has been revolutionized by the arrival of sophisticated large language models and generative media tools. If you are starting your journey in 2026, you are entering an era where a single individual can wield the power of an entire marketing department from a laptop. This shift is not just an incremental improvement, but a total paradigm shift that rewards those who understand how to orchestrate artificial intelligence. The foundation of any successful affiliate business begins with the selection of a profitable niche that aligns with current market demands. In the past, this required weeks of manual research and the analysis of complex spreadsheets to find gaps in the market. Today, beginners can utilize advanced data analysis tools to identify emerging trends before they even hit the mainstream consciousness. By feeding specific parameters into an artificial intelligence model, you can discover underserved audiences who are actively looking for solutions to their problems. You should look for high-ticket items or recurring subscription services that offer long-term financial stability. The analytical capabilities of modern systems allow you to see exactly where the highest conversion rates are happening across various geographical regions. Once you have identified your niche, the next step involves the creation of a digital presence that builds trust and authority with your target audience. This used to require professional web design skills or a significant investment in a creative team. Now you can generate an entire high-performance website with optimized user interfaces in a matter of minutes using generative design platforms. Content creation has always been the most time-consuming aspect of affiliate marketing for newcomers. Writing blog posts and creating social media updates or producing video reviews used to take dozens of hours every week. With the current state of generative technology, you can produce high-quality and engaging content at a scale that was previously impossible. Artificial intelligence can help you draft comprehensive articles that are perfectly tuned for both human readers and search engine algorithms. It is important to remember that the goal is not just to produce volume, but to provide genuine value to the consumer. You can use large language models to brainstorm unique angles and provide deep insights that make your content stand out from the noise. By providing the machine with specific stylistic guidelines, you can ensure that every piece of content reflects your unique brand voice. This consistency is crucial for building a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and clicks on your affiliate links. Video content is currently the most dominant form of media on the internet, and it offers the highest potential for affiliate conversions. For a beginner, the idea of appearing on camera or learning complex editing software can be incredibly intimidating. However, the rise of synthetic video and voice cloning technology has removed these obstacles entirely. You can now create professional video reviews and tutorials using high-fidelity avatars that look and speak exactly like a human. These tools allow you to translate your content into dozens of different languages with perfect synchronization and local nuances. This means that a single video review can reach a global audience without you ever having to leave your home or pick up a camera. The ability to localize content instantly provides a massive competitive advantage in the global affiliate marketplace. You can target specific markets in Europe or Asia or South America with the same level of precision as your local market. The distribution of your content is just as important as the creation process itself. Algorithms on platforms like YouTube and TikTok and Instagram are constantly evolving to prioritize engagement and relevance. Artificial intelligence helps you analyze these algorithms to determine the best times to post and the most effective hashtags to use. You can use automated tools to repurpose a single long-form video into dozens of short clips for different social media platforms. This multi-channel approach ensures that you are capturing attention wherever your potential customers are spending their time. Instead of manually posting to every platform, you can set up intelligent systems that handle the scheduling and optimization for you. This allows you to focus on the high-level strategy of your business, rather than the repetitive tasks of daily management. The focus should always be on the data and the feedback you receive from your audience. One of the most powerful applications of artificial intelligence in affiliate marketing is the use of intelligent chatbots and personalized sales funnels. When a potential customer clicks on your link, their journey has only just begun. You can use conversational agents to answer their questions in real time and guide them toward the right purchase decision. These bots are trained on vast amounts of product data and can provide specific recommendations based on the needs of the individual. This level of personalization significantly increases the likelihood of a conversion and boosts your overall commission earnings. Unlike traditional static landing pages, an interactive experience keeps the user engaged and builds a stronger connection with your brand. You are essentially providing a high-touch concierge service at a massive scale without any additional cost. Traffic generation is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketing business, and it can be divided into organic and paid strategies. Organic traffic is highly valuable because it is free and sustainable over the long term, but it requires patience and consistent effort. Artificial intelligence assists in this process by optimizing your content for generative search engines that provide direct answers to user queries. By structuring your information in a way that machines can easily understand, you increase the chances of being cited as a primary source. Paid traffic offers immediate results, but it can be risky for beginners who do not know how to manage their advertising spend. Fortunately, modern advertising platforms utilize machine learning to automatically optimize your ads for the best possible return on investment. You can create hundreds of different ad variations and let the system determine which ones perform the best with your target audience. This reduces the risk of wasting money on ineffective campaigns and allows you to scale your business much faster. The ethics of using artificial intelligence in marketing is a topic that every beginner must consider carefully. As these tools become more powerful, the responsibility to be transparent with your audience becomes even more important. You should always disclose your affiliate relationships and be honest about the fact that you are using synthetic tools to enhance your content. Building a sustainable business is based on trust, and that trust can be easily broken if you are seen as deceptive or manipulative. The goal of using technology should be to enhance the human experience and provide better information to the consumer. When you use these tools to add value and solve problems, your audience will appreciate the quality of the work you produce. The most successful affiliates in the future will be those who find the perfect balance between technological efficiency and human authenticity. The technical infrastructure required to run an affiliate business has also become much more accessible. You no longer need to be a coder or a systems administrator to set up complex tracking and attribution models. Cloud-based platforms now offer one-click integrations that connect your content with your affiliate networks and your analytics dashboards. This gives you a clear view of exactly where your sales are coming from and which strategies are working the best. You can use predictive analytics to forecast your future earnings and make informed decisions about where to invest your time and resources next. This data-driven approach removes the guesswork from the business and allows you to operate with the precision of a professional corporation. The barrier between a hobbyist and a professional has never been thinner than it is today. As we look toward the future, the role of the affiliate marketer will continue to evolve from a simple middleman to a sophisticated curator of information. The internet is becoming increasingly saturated with content, and users are looking for trusted voices to help them make sense of the noise. By positioning yourself as an expert in your niche and utilizing artificial intelligence to amplify your reach, you can build a powerful personal brand. This brand becomes an asset that grows in value over time and provides you with multiple streams of income beyond simple affiliate commissions. You might eventually launch your own products or offer consulting services based on the data and insights you have gathered. The skills you learn by mastering these tools are highly transferable to any other area of digital business or entrepreneurship. The landscape of search is also changing, with the rise of answer engines and personal digital assistants. In the near future, people will no longer browse through pages of search results to find a product. Instead, they will ask their personal artificial intelligence to find the best solution for their specific needs. To succeed as an affiliate in this environment, your content must be the most authoritative and well-structured information available. You need to focus on being the primary source of truth that these digital assistants rely on when making recommendations. This requires a deep understanding of how information is indexed and processed by large-scale neural networks. It is a more technical challenge than traditional marketing, but the rewards for those who master it are significantly higher. For a beginner, the most important thing is to start taking action and experimenting with the tools that are available right now. You do not need to wait until you have a perfect plan or a massive budget to begin your journey. The beauty of artificial intelligence is that it allows for rapid prototyping and iteration. You can launch a small campaign today and see the results by tomorrow, and then make adjustments based on what you have learned. Failure is no longer expensive because the cost of creating and distributing content has dropped to nearly zero. Every mistake is simply a data point that helps you refine your strategy and move closer to success. The only real risk is staying on the sidelines while the rest of the world adapts to this new reality. The global economy is shifting toward a model where specialized knowledge and creative execution are the most valuable commodities. By learning how to leverage artificial intelligence for affiliate marketing, you are developing a skill set that will be in high demand for decades to come. You are not just building a side hustle, but you are learning how to operate in the new digital frontier. The tools will continue to get better, and the competition will continue to increase, but the fundamental principles of marketing will remain the same. It is always about understanding the needs of the customer and providing them with a solution that improves their life. Artificial intelligence is simply the most powerful tool ever created to help you achieve that goal at scale. In conclusion, the era of artificial intelligence has opened up unprecedented opportunities for beginners in the world of affiliate marketing. By combining your unique human perspective with the computational power of neural networks, you can create a business that is both highly profitable and personally fulfilling. The journey requires a commitment to continuous learning and a willingness to embrace change as the technology evolves. You must stay curious and analytical while always keeping the needs of your audience at the center of everything you do.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell.